Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Praise Chukwuka and I'm triggered you are joining me today. On this channel, I share all kind of tips and tricks to help you master graphic design with just your smartphone. Alright, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove backgrounds in seconds using one of the best app out there, which is known as Photoroom. Whether you are a beginner or looking to speed up your workflow, this app is perfect for you. Right, so let's jump right in and start removing those backgrounds like a pro. This is the app that I'm talking about, Photoroom. You can download the app on Play Store. Alright, so click on this place, on this plus, start from photo. Alright, so click on gallery. It will lead you to your phone gallery, but I'm not going to click on that place because the image I want to remove its background is already here. So here is the image. I will tap on it. Photoroom automatically detects and removes the background in just a few seconds. Once you are done, don't click on white or black. Don't choose any of these two. The one that you're going to choose is transparent. Choose transparent so that when you download it into your gallery, the background is going to be transparent. Okay. Once you are done, click on export. Alright, so save to your gallery by clicking here. And then click done. And that's it. Removing background in seconds using Photoroom. Now you have a clean image ready to use for whatever project you need it for. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Right, I'm posting new content every week to help you become a graphic design pro using just your smartphone. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.